Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, hi, my name is Vivian, and today I will be taking you guys back the scene of how I actually get my teeth maintained. I mean, like cleaning, changing of my brace rings, and all of that. But today we're going to be focusing on cleaning, just because I have to do this every 6 months. I couldn't film this like within the last 6 months just because of COVID. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about it, and I'm getting it done up the mountain. The dental clinic is called Dentistry on the Mountain. I'm gonna be taking you guys through it. I'm pretty excited, so yeah, just come with me. Hi, good morning. Sorry. No problem. So I'm right here, guys. I know it's kind of weird, like the safety precautions here is just amazing. Like, anyways, we're about to start. I'm probably gonna show you guys part of it, just because I can't film like the entire thing, but I'm gonna do like the start as well as probably the ending of it, and that should be it. So yeah, excited. Let me know if you have any discomfort there. Okay. Let me know if you have any discomfort there.
So there's a lot of food here in between. There's some food in between the teeth here.
Yeah.
We try to floss, use the floss threader to remove foods here. Because then on time they become hardened. Okay? So and that's why it's better to use at least several times a week. And it's difficult to reach there, but I'm trying to reach because of the braces.
Yeah.
Okay. This is chicken. We take it out. Okay, so thank you for coming today.
Thank you.
Do more of the flossing and the floss threader.
Okay.
Go in between the teeth.
Okay.
And then come back 4 months later
Okay.
so that you can maintain the cleaning, especially when you have the braces.
Okay.
Do work more, do more effort.
Okay.
Okay, and see you the next time.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You're all good. And then do you want me to book you 6 months later?
Yes, please. And if you can call me the ceremony. Thank you so much. Yeah. It's already
Should
booked?
be anytime after March.
Okay. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Have a good day. So that was really quick. I'm all done. So I have to be back here again after 6 months, I believe. So yeah. Well, that's it. I hope you guys didn't really freak out because my teeth were like, I think, pretty dirty. But anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in to this week's video. You should check them out. It's Dentistry on the Mountain if you live in Canada, Hamilton, Ontario. And if you don't, if you live in the GTA, you should actually book a consultation because they're pretty good. Like, they're really good. Anyways, I feel like my teeth are like super clean now. Now I can actually take it off. And yeah, I'm gonna head home now. No, actually it's raining quite heavily, so I'm gonna probably just chill out a bit and then yeah, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.